Hello there, welcome back to another class. I am Nobel from iexpart. In here today we just learning another new class. So you are watching you are in class 3 now, so you are learning Adobe Animate. So wow, so you make your own animation or you can own your visualization. Actually, I'm going to share you one thing. So it's Adobe Animate, Illustrator. If you are best, if you have a better thinking, if you are creative, so you can make awesome than ever you think. So everyone, if you have a pen and pencil, if you can someone, he can art. But if you give some the pen and pencil in some artist, she make this boom. So like this, if you have talent, if you have something knowledge about it, so you can learn that. So let's start our new class. So that's our page. Like the last class, let's change the stage color, this. And so that was the last class. I share you what is the background, how to fix the layer, how to edit the layer, and how to hide the layer, how to lock the layer. So today's is same like that, and this class is really pretty much same as like same class. So in class I'm just making something professional and more looking awesome. So let's just make this layer name background. Just layer name is background. Okay, so that's the background. Okay, just take a shape, just this the background layer, and if you want to change the color, just fix it. I think this will be work. Just zoom it and make another. So make it look like 3D feel. Just color something this color, and it will be like so this, and you can make it black or in here something. So in here there's we are working on the background, so that's our background layer is activated. So we just when you just this one just select it, just like a selection tool, that's just selection tool, just click it all them, and in here you see there's a free transform tool, and the another shortcut key is a Q. So you can make it just when you just Q free transform tool, you can make it bigger, you can make it fixable. So that how. So in this one, so this one you can resize and edit this part. So okay, just make it copy, just make it a little bit below, copies. Now copies, just done. Just select all of them together and this. Okay, so we have this name. So this just I have this animation name, and okay, just drop ball animation. Okay, just in here there's a drop ball animation. So in here you see that's the background layer. So this is our background, and that's in all in the background layer. So just name it background, and just lock it. For just background, take a new layer, just moving ball, just name it moving ball. So that's our moving ball layer. So make a ball and just activate it, lock the background. I just lock the background and moving ball. I just click on moving ball. So just take a moving ball, just moving ball color, and always remember, when you just take this any moving ball in here, so you have to select your moving ball layer option in here. So in here the moving ball option, just go to this and see this which color is the more qualityful, and this almost looking glossy and glowing. Okay, so that's okay. Just zoom it. Okay, just work on it. So make it more professional. Just control just copy it, press the alter, and how to just copy it. Just select the layer, select the object you want to here, press the alter, press alter, and click your mouse, just drag it and drop it. Just click and drag it and drop it. So in that how we just take a new shape in here. I just take some doing effecting in here. So in here, so that is the tools, and that is eraser tool. So I'm just going to remove some part. Okay, I just use the third bracket for making the brush bigger. Third bracket on your keyboard for making the brush bigger. Okay, sorry, I'm just selecting both of them. Okay, just select it and select the first layer and just remove it. Oh no, just remove it, and then place on a ball, so it look okay. So that is our ball, and make it sample. Press F8 for the sample, again F8 for the sample, and always remember, when you make it sample, just active this graphics option. In here it will be the movie clips button, but you choose the graphics option, and this here that's the midpoint. In here that's the midpoint, and choose the midpoint, and then okay. So in here it's now in the graphics mode. It's now on sample mode. So okay, so now I want to this moving ball, just press it and moving ball. Okay, so I want a simple like this and done. So in here, so what to do? So you have to make your own visualization, right? So you have make it just a simple draft for how your line going on and how to use the movement. So make a simple draft. Take a new layer. You can just draft, just line. Okay, I just take this loan, and in here the brush tools, you see that the brush tools, just make it lower. Use the third bracket. In your right side it will be your brush size will be bigger, and your left side it will be lower. So you press the third bracket again, so let press the third bracket. So make how it look. So it will start in here. Boom, and this movement will be like this, or you can do this way also, but I must suggest this is smooth. And that's okay. So you see that our ball is a background in here, but we want our ball layer in front. So you have a just line option in here. You see that just line layer, just make it just drag it and throw it in middle. So you just line it's a middle now and lock it. Okay, when you lock it, it will be it's not more moving in here. So okay, so it's a pretty much simple. Okay, so in here just we have the backgrounds, and just we want to do in a 5 second with all the movement in like 7 second 7 okay 7 second. Then F6 the pop-up ball and the just line option in here, and if you want to hide it, so you can hide the line option. So in here that's the pop-up ball, and I'm trying to make a smooth animation effect in them. So in here that's we have the moving ball. So moving ball and create F5, just select the line and F5, and it's like 10 frames. Okay, when you go to 10 frames and then press F6, press F6 or convert to keyframe, so press F6 or convert to keyframe. Just activate the just line option, just line option here. Just in that line you can edit this frame bar in here, so you can edit in here. So if you just zoom in, zoom out in here, so in here just line option, just press the F6. So because you need to visible this part, so press the F6 and then just go to the final part in here. So in here that's the part, just open the just line option and just little bit below, in here, and again press F5. Just 20, shift F5 for the removing the background, removing that's unobjected frame. So F5, then F6. So in here just you said you see this part, so make it a little bit squeezy, but a little bit just dropping in here and dropping in here, and just be just when it's a ball drop is a force like so it feel like it's like dropping in here. So you see that's dropping in here, so you just dropping in here. So let's do like this in that way. So let's do that, and then make another option. Then press F5, just select the frame and press F5, then F6, just move it. Just move it. Okay, so that's how. Let's see in a speed work. Okay, So you see that, so our step part is done. So we are almost done our effect in here. So you should really look professional a bit in here, so you can see that. So let's see the what is how it's you know, how much how it's a look. So first of all, just in make them just a little bit shorter, and just our balling line. So our ball line in here, just select them all, or select all of the frame, just one click, and just go to land first to last, and then right button click, and then create a classic twin, then create classic twin. Okay, so when you just making the classic twin, it's make a really new and a smooth effect. So you can see that. So in here the moving ball option is done. So that's the final point, you know, the just line option in here. So just off it, okay, and then play it. Boom. It's really funny and smoothly done. Okay, but when you just play on the test movies, then our line will be visible, because you know our just line is we not removing it, and that's the final option. Just do it. Okay, just remove the just line layer, just drag it, and just select it, and just delete, just click in delete option in here. Just line, remember the just line option in here, just delete it, and this see the play option. So that's the main final result. And you know, you can make it more perfect, more effective, and more classify. So that's really easier and smoothly option. But I want to try something, you know, basically shorter. So that's why this is the thing. And wish you enjoy the class and you get a lot of learning in that class. So if you think that's really effective and helpful for you, so please press the subscribe button, you know, that is completely free. So if you make the subscribe button, so that's give me motivate, you know. So making record is really you know, so taking a class record is really pressurable work. So but I really love to do that. So please stay with us, stay with iexpart, and please the subscribe button. And thank you so much. See you another class. Thank you, take care, bye bye. You get this your what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.